Welcome back to my math YouTube channel. For this video, I will discuss problem solving involving compound interest when rate is unknown. Problem solving involving compound interest when time is unknown. Investors or depositors are interested to know how much time is needed to accumulate a desired amount in investing a certain principal. Investors or depositors are also interested to know the interest rate before investing a certain amount. No further ado. Problem number 1. At what nominal rate compounded quarterly will 40,000 accumulate 67,459 in 8 years? In the given problem, principal is 40,000, the future value is 67,459, the nominal rate is unknown, its conversion is quarterly, so it means M equals 4, the time is 8 years. The formula to use is F equals P quantity 1 plus J raised to the N. Remember, N is equal to MT. Substituting the above values on the formula, we have F equals 67,459, P equals 40,000, and N is equal to 4 times 8. Simplify first the exponent. 4 times 8 equals 32. Next, divide both sides by 40,000 so that 40,000 is cancelled. Remained on the right is quantity 1 plus j raised to 32. Divide also 67,459 by 40,000. The result is 1.686475. To eliminate the exponent 32, raise both sides by 1 over 32. So that 32 is cancelled. On the right, remained is 1.686475 raised to the 1 over 32 equals 1 plus j. To make j independent, transpose positive 1 from the right to negative 1 to the left. Using scientific calculator, simplify 1.686475 raised to the 1 over 32. Its equivalent is 1.0165. Then 1.0165 minus 1 equals 0.0165, and that is now the value of our j. Since j is equal to I to the parenthesis m over m, substituting the value of j and m, we have 0.0165 equals I to the 4 over 4. To solve for the nominal rate, multiply both sides by 4 so that 4 is cancelled. Remain is I to the 4. 0.0165 times 4 equals 0.066. To convert into percent, multiply 0.066 by 100 equals 6.6%. And that is now our nominal rate. Therefore, we can now say that for this particular problem, the nominal rate is 6.6%. Another one. For our next problem, at what interest rate compounded monthly 250,000 double in 12 years? First to do is identify the given. The principal is equal to 250,000. The future value is double, so it means F is equal to 2P equals to 2 times 250,000 equals 500,000. The nominal rate is unknown. The conversion is monthly, so M is equal to 12, and the time is also 12 years. Substituting the above values on the formula, we have F equals 500,000, P equals 250,000, N equals MT equals 12 times 12. Simplify first the exponent. 12 times 12 equals 144. Next, divide both sides of the equations by 250,000. On the right, 250,000 is cancelled. On the left, 500,000 divided by 250,000. So we have 2 equals quantity 1 plus j raised to 144. Next is to eliminate the exponent on the right side. So we will raise 1 over 144 both sides of the equation. 144 is cancelled. So we have 1 plus j on the right and 2 will be raised to 1 over 144. To make j totally independent, positive 1 from the right will be transposed to negative 1 to the left. Using scientific calculator, simplify 2 raised to the 1 over 144, its equivalent is 1.0048. To find the specific value of j, simplify 1.0048 minus 1 equals 0.0048. Again, since j is equal to I to the m over m, by substitution we have 0.048 equals I to the 12 over 12. To further simplify, multiply both sides of the equation by 12 so that 12 is cancelled on the right, remained as I to the 12. Then 0.0048 times 12 equals 0.0576. To change that decimal into percent, multiply it by 100 and affix a percent sign. So we have 5.76%. Therefore, in this particular problem, the nominal rate is 5.76%.
Another one.
The formula now for n is equal to the log of f over p over the logarithm of 1 plus j. Problem number 1. How many years will it take that 120,000 pesos will become 150,000 deposited in a bank that offers 8.5% compounded quarterly? The givens on the problem are the principal is 120,000, the future value is 150,000, the nominal rate is 8.5% or 0.085. The conversion is quarterly, it means 4, and the time is unknown. Substituting the given values on the derived formula, we have f equals 150,000 over p, which is 120,000, over the logarithm of 1 plus j, which is 0.85 divided by 4 because j is equal to I raised to the quantity m over m. To solve, simplify first the numerator. 150,000 divided by 120,000 equals 1.25. Divide also the fraction part of the denominator. 0.085 divided by 4 equals 0.02125. Next, add the denominator. 1 plus 0.02125 equals 1.02125. Using scientific calculator, get the logarithm of both the numerator and denominator. The logarithm of 1.25 equals 0.09691. The logarithm of 1.02125 equals 0.00913. Divide the results. 0.09691 divided by 0.0913 equals 10.61. And we have now the exact value of n, which is 10.61. Since n is equal to empty, we will continue to solve for the time. By substitution, we have 10.61 equals 40. To remove 4 from t, divide 4 both sides. 4 is cancelled, t is remain. 10.61 divided by 4 equals 2.65. And finally, for this particular problem, we are now through solving for the time. So we can now say that to accumulate the desired amount, it will take 2.65 years.
Another one.
For our next problem, how long will it take for 50,000 to earn 18,000 at 12% compounded semi-annually? In the problem, the principal is 50,000, the future value is principal plus the compound interest equals 50,000 plus 18,000 equals 68,000. The nominal rate is 12% or 0.12. semi-annual conversion, so M is equal to 2 and time is unknown. Substituting on the formula, F equals 68,000, P equals 50,000, J equals 0.12 divided by 2. Again, simplify the numerator. 68,000 divided by 50,000 equals 1.36. Simplify also the fraction part of the denominator. 0.12 divided by 2 equals 0.06. Add the denominator. 1.0.06 equals 1.06. Using scientific calculator, get the logarithms of both the numerator and denominators. The logarithm of 1.36 equals 0.1335. The logarithm of 1.06 equals 0.0253. Simplify further the result. 0.1335 divided by 0.0253 equals 5.28. And that is now the value of N. Again, since N is equal to empty, by substitution, 5.28 equals 2t. Dividing both sides by 2, 2 is cancelled, t is remain. 5.28 divided by 2 equals 2.64. And that is now the value of t. Therefore, for this particular problem, we can now say that in order for 50,000 to earn 18,000 at 12% compounded semi-annually, it will take 2.64 years.
Magaling mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam ah.
Once again, if you learned from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also continue browse my channel for more math video lessons. Thank you for watching.